Welcome to Onsite. Today we are going to learn how to create MOM and how to implement it in your real-time projects. For creating MOM, you have to select your project, which minute of meeting you want to record. So MOM allows you to record, organize and track all meeting discussions, decisions and action points all in one place. You have to click on plus new MOM. You can give one meeting name. What was the meeting about? Let's just say it was about kitchen renovation. You have to select attendees who has attended the meeting. You can describe each and everything in detail, what was discussed in the meeting. You can attach media files, what we shared while in meeting. You can click a live image, or you can upload it from gallery or any PDF file or Excel file that was shared in the meeting, that can be attached. So in this way you can make use of MOMs. It ensures that all stakeholders have a single source of truth for what was discussed in the meeting or what was agreed upon and assigned, reducing miscommunication and making follow-ups much easier. You do have a filter option available as well, so that you can search date wise or party wise. Thank you.